Why do I have this again? Well, we just got back from Thunder Over Louisville, and even though it didn't rain or anything, but the parking lot was like really dusty. And we did have a rain just the other night, shortly after Thunder, but it washed off most of the dirt, but it was pretty filthy. I mean, look at my tires here. These are my tires. Just kind of show you what it was. This kind of dirt and mud. I mean, it was bad. Let's go check out the rig. So I'm going to go ahead and do a washing again, and I thought maybe this time I would record the improved soap configuration, if you will. I did a mixture, I mentioned it in the last video, but I changed the mixture a little bit, included 4 ounces, and this bottle was full. So I'm going to try to use the rest of this since the rain did wash up most of the white chalky dirt. Yeah, it's got a little bit, but I'm going to wash it. All right, so stay tuned. So one of the things I forgot last time to wash, did the whole rig except for this underneath here. So I'm gonna wash it first, and I'm gonna spray it on with the foam cannon, but I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the microfiber cloth scrubby thingies. I know that's real technical. So let's just take a quick look at how much difference, the clinginess, if you will, how the soap is clinging more to the rig versus last time it was dripping off. I mean, it's dripping off still, but I mean, it's still sticking to the top part right here. All right, let's get to the scrub brush. So I'm not sure if you can tell in video, but it came so much cleaner. The soap stuck to it so much better using that mixture. So this is something that you'll have to probably just play with no matter what foam cannon you get. You know, you can go by the recommendations, but your solution may need to be stronger or weaker, just depending on your on what you need. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this off and get working on the easier part. Crawling around with a 59-year-old man on his hands and knees. It hurts. I'm really thrilled about that soap cannon. It makes me happy. I did find a spot I missed, but I'll get back to that. All right, so next we are going to wash the tires. Let's get all that crud off of them. I can see a wheel brush in my near future. All right, so taking a look at the soap on the sides now. I hope you can see this depending on the lighting, but it's clingy. It's more clingy, more so than the dogs are to me. But right? It's hanging on there really good. And I'm about to take our trusty brush, and this is a soft brush, and I just got this at, I think I got this at Camper's Inn where I bought the RV, and it's real soft. You don't want anything too rough. And then if you need more, just get your little hand scrubber. So this side is done. It turned out pretty darn good. I did notice that there were a few spots right up here that I'm probably gonna have to use more than that soft brush right there. Just a little baked on dirt. I'm not sure if you can see that. Now that I got the soap solution just about right, it seems to cling to the RV just about right. I think I have the water nozzle degrees. I'm using a 15 degree sprayer, and it does pretty darn good. Again, you know, you could detail it if you want to, but you know, it's an RV and that's not a show car. All right, so as I was about to wash the back of the rig, I saw the generator still sitting out, and I wanted you guys to see what kind of dirt was actually on the RV as well. This is the kind of stuff that just came up off the parking lot. And I mean, there was no rain, there was nothing. It's just dust that was kicked up. So I'm gonna hit that with a little hose, kind of get it clean and put it away. Thanks for watching.